Told we've got 20 students in all, 11 like maths, 10 like English, and 2 like neither subject. So let's straight away put the 2 outside the 2 circles, which we'll label for maths and for English. So that means there should be 18 between these 3 sections on the Venn. Now, if we add the 11 that like maths and the 10 that like English, we get 21. So we should have 18, that's 3 too many, 3 who have been counted twice, so they must go in the middle. So 11 overall liking maths, well, we've got 3 here, so it must be 8. 10 like English, got 3 here, so it must be 7. And if we add these all up, they should come up to 20, which they do. Next part of the question, the probability that a student chosen at random, given that they like maths, also like English. So we're starting with part of the group, a group that like maths. So there's 11 that like maths, and we can see there's 3 of these that also like English. Someone's getting you to think back to work on straight line graphs. We had to work out which sections couldn't have any straight line graphs in. So here we've got a gradient of -1. So going down 1 square for every 1 we go along. Here we've got a gradient of 0. So a flat line going across. Now, obviously we can't have a straight line that's got a gradient of -1 and of 0. So we can't have anything in these sections here. Every other section there could have an equation in there. So it's just sections C and D. So we've got 100 students in total here, and they study at least one of art, drama, or music. We want to start in the middle of this Venn diagram, so in this section, and then work outwards. That's by far the easiest way to deal with the numbers. So we've got 7 study all 3, they go in the middle here. 23 study art and drama. Now we've already got 7 in here, so that means we're going to have 16 in this section here. 35 study art and music. We've already got the 7 in there already, so that's 28. And in a similar way, the 12 who study music and drama, we're going to have 5 in here. 65 study art. So in these 3 sections, we've already got 51, so that's 14 left there to make that up to 65. Got 52 studying music. We've already got 40 here, so that's 12. And we just need to work out how many are studying drama. Remember, there's no one outside. Sorry, this H, you can just ignore that. There's no students outside because we were told at the beginning all of them study at least one of these 3 subjects. So we know that 65 in total studied art, so we just need to add 17 to that to get us to 82. So then out of the 100 we must have 18 left here. The probability question at the end, one of the people who studies art, so it's just out of that group of 65 who study art, is chosen at random. The probability they also study drama, we've got these 16 here, these 7 here, so 23 out of 65.